I've just been inside the West Wing here talking to White House officials about that, trying to gauge exactly what the president was signaling there. What I'm told is the president was just sort of on a post-election day expressing a general openness to the idea of deal making with Democrats as a general thing, but that he doesn't have any specific plans to raise corporate rates or to raise any rates or to cut any specific deal right now with the Democrats. He was trying to signal there, I'm told, that he's just kind of open in general to doing some deals and getting some legislation done, but not signaling with any sort of intentionality that he wants to raise corporate rates.
I got you, but at the same time, you've got to believe that there can't be much of an appetite on Capitol Hill for increasing the debt and the deficit any more than it already is going up. So if they were, Eamon, going to pursue a middle-class tax cut, they'd have to find a trade-off somewhere.
Exactly right.
Maybe the corporate rate is an easy pickings because they lowered the rate by such a tremendous amount.
The problem is they have to find those pay-fors somewhere, to your point, and then they're sort of between a rock and a hard place, right? There are Republicans on the Hill who won't want to raise corporate rates because they think that'll be bad for the economy for all the reasons that they lowered corporate rates in the first place. And then you've got Democrats on Capitol Hill who are going to look at their political self-interest over the next 2 years and decide whether or not they want to let the president have any victories of any kind on anything. And they may simply conclude, you know what, let's not let him sign any bills at all, and let's not let him have any major victories at all because we want a Democrat in the White House in 2020.
Yeah, I've got, as you may know, Mario Gabelli at the table
let me
today.
give you some ideas for raising money. Number one,
sure.
You charge a transaction tax on these ETF mindless trading. Start getting Larry Fink and Vanguard to pay their fair share of taxes, which they don't do because of an exemption they have. That is billions of dollars, and then you get a carried interest. Those are so no-brainers. I don't understand.
Carried interest is always on the short list of things to do to raise money, and it never gets done. And the reason is there's a very effective lobby here in Washington that's able to get it right off the list at the last minute every time.
We agree with that.
Eamon,
they should that same lobbyist should have a transaction tax on much the way the Brits do on what you buy and sell without allowing swaps to take place.